Instagram allows users to comment on posts and reels using GIFs, but this option is not always enabled by default. If you want to enable GIF comments on your posts, you need to activate it in the settings. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do it quickly and easily, directly through the Instagram app. So, at the very beginning, find the Instagram app on your home screen, open it, and log into your profile if you haven't done so already. Once you're in Instagram, the next thing you need to do is tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, which will take you to your profile page. When you're on your profile page, in the top right corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them, and that will open the settings page. Once you're in the settings, you'll see a lot of options. Now, scroll down until you find the comments section. When you find it, tap on it, and it will open a page with additional settings options. In this section, you'll see several options, one of which is called Allow GIF Comments. Find it and tap the switch next to it to enable it. After enabling this option, your followers will now be able to leave GIFs in the comments under your posts and reels. This will enrich the interaction on your profile and add a touch of creativity to the comments you receive. And that's all for this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.